Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you a second set of cards I made with the June 2021 Sheetload of cards. If you're not familiar, the Sheetload of cards is the brainchild of Alicia from the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel. Every month on the first of the month, she'll come out with a cutting guide and supply list on how you can make a sheetload of cards. This month, June's sheetload was using 6x6 paper, and as I was working on killing a 6x6 paper pad, it worked out perfectly. So let me show you real quick what I did. So again, the cutting guide you can get from Call Me Crafty Al. One day I'll show you how I organize my cutting guides and how I put it in a book. But for now I want to show you, I used some embossing folders. And again, I was using sort of a masculine theme. So I used a wood grain embossing folder and this diamond plate one, which by the way, if you use like gold metallic paper or silver metallic paper, it looks fabulous. But I use that as the background on my cards. So I don't know if you can see, it's got that fine, just a little bit of the wood grain showing up on this. So this was an authentic paper pad. I had a couple of sheets of this had cut aparts, so I cut out on this one the baseball player and popped him up so he's a little dimensional. So there is that one. And then on this one it says a true classic, and the word classic is popped up. And that's got leather, that's got a nice a plaid, and theirs looks like seat cushions to me. So I used the diamond plate embossing folder on that one because it sort of reminds me of cars. Speaking of cars, this one, I went with wood grain, but I cut apart this little truck that was in the paper pad, and I just thought he was fabulous. So besides Father's Day cards, obviously I made, these could be used for any occasion. That obviously is a birthday card, and same with this. So it's again the same sketch. I just did this birthday sentiment on a circle and put it on the card. Again, I cut out that gorgeous truck. This was the same thing as the baseball and a true classic. I cut the word vintage out from one of the cut aparts and layered it on top of that. I don't know if a guy would want to be called vintage. Maybe, maybe not. Another birthday one with the truck. Here is one for the golfer. The golfer is popped up. It was a lot of fun cutting out that teeny little golf club. But he looks debonair, doesn't he? And then this one, I needed to make a Father's Day card, so probably should have done it in the same color as this one, but I did have some brads that look like screws, and so I put that on there. Again, it just goes with the car theme. So that is what I made with a June 2021 sheetload of cards. Go ahead and check out the original Call Me Crafty Al YouTube that introduces this card sketch, and as well I'll put a link showing you my first set of cards using this. While this is pretty masculine, the card sketch I made used kitty cats, and it's got pink in it, so that's as feminine as this was masculine. So it was fun to make. I suggest you go ahead and try it out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.